It's great to speak to you. We've got Wales against Slovakia next week. We hear the word Slovakia, you know where we're going straight away. Euro 2016, how special was that goal for you?
Yeah, it was obviously very, very special. Started a group campaign. We'd worked so hard to get there. It was nice to pop up with the winner, and I think it certainly set the tone for us going into the rest of the campaign.
You mentioned the special memories. We have to ask about that goal against Belgium, of course. Do Wales fans just want to talk about it all the time like we do?
Yeah, and when the game finished, it was more the fact that we'd obviously just beaten Belgium. It wasn't really thinking about the goal itself. It's what we worked so hard for, even the previous campaigns. You know, it was 40-odd caps before we had that sort of level of success, and as a group of players in that generation, we'd worked so hard together to get to that. So it was nice we'd done it, but you know, it's those are the moments that everyone plays football for. As I said, I think fingers crossed Wales can have a few more of those in the future.
How hard is leading the line? Because for every wonder goal against Belgium, there must be a lot of 90 minutes just slogging your guts out.
Yeah, it's intense, it's demanding. At the same time, it's a rewarding role. But at international level, you have to work hard, and off the back of that, you have the opportunity to show your quality.
Any chance of a comeback, maybe, Hal?
Yeah, you know, it was a difficult decision for me to retire. I'm not going to rule anything out in the future, but I think there's more than enough quality in the group now for the boys to hopefully have the success that we all want.
The Hal RobsonKanu chant. Do you get up and dance, or do you just walk out the room when that comes on?
No, it's fantastic. I think it's sort of ingrained, certainly in my memory, and probably in a lot of memories of Welsh fans too. So every time I walked over that white line, hearing the roar of the red wall, it was very, very special, and that definitely helped us get to where we wanted to get to, and hopefully it will, you know, they'll continue supporting us as they have been. With any campaign, you have to start the campaign well, and if you don't, it's always going to be difficult, but it doesn't mean it's impossible. There's 4 games, that's 12 points up for grabs. It's a lot in any qualifying campaign, but taking it each game at a time, you do need to get those results and pick up those points. So these next 2 games and the 2 following are essential. Going into games and, you know, knowing the likes of Rambo and Ash are available, it's always an added bonus. So Rambo's obviously done well since he's been back playing for Juve. So hopefully he brings that form into the national team, and I'm sure he will, and it'll only be a positive for the nation. We've got more than enough quality within the squad. The desire's there definitely, and you know, a young manager who wants to be successful as well, and has a wealth of experience within the game. So fingers crossed we get the results, and it'd be fantastic to be out there as a fan.
Hal, thanks for the chat. Thanks for the memories as well.
Cheers, thank you. Nice one.